Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this OnePlus. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down to access battery section. In it, scroll down again, click on more settings, and finally tap on this switcher next to high performance mode to enable it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. And as you can see, after that, high performance is on. You can always switch it off by tapping on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!